Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, Nationality at English Version School, Deshi. So dear students of class 2, today I am going to take a social science class for you, and this is lecture number 6, and this will be your SW number 6 also. Today we are doing matching and MCQ from chapter 15. So at first look at the board. So this is lesson 15. Dear students, we have done the reading done and rest of the things in the previous classes, and today we are doing matching and MCQ from lesson 15, and this is name of the lesson is wealth. Okay, so at first we will look at the matching, and this is the matching part, and the first one is there is column A and there is column B. We will match with column A and with column B. So at first, garden is, the first one is garden is. Actually, what is garden? Garden is our actually people's personal wealth. So that's why it can be said that garden is the man's own wealth. So we can match with A with B. Okay, so this is the answer. Garden is the man's own wealth. So this will be the answer of number 1. And number 2, schools are what? We have done what is social wealth and what is national wealth. So at first we have when we went through what is social wealth, we got the examples. Social wealth example is schools. So we can say schools are our social wealth. So this is the answer of number 2. Schools are our social wealth. Now number 3, we should not what? We should not misuse our national wealth. This is the answer of number 3. We should not misuse our national wealth. Now number 4, natural gas is what? Natural gas is actually our national wealth, or the national wealth of the country. So these are the matching. So we will read again from number 1, garden is the man's own wealth. Number 2, schools are our social wealth. Number 3, we should not misuse our national wealth. And number 4, natural gas is our national wealth. So this was the matching part, and now we will do MCQ, that means multiple choice question. So number 1, which is owned by a family? So what is the question? Which is owned by a family? So now there are options. The first one is electricity, second one is house, and the third one is school. Actually, every family has a house. So you can say this is the answer. So house is owned by a family. And the number 2, dash is our social wealth. What is our social wealth? We have done in the matching part, so you can make the answer up very easily. There are options: school, gas, water. So you can find out the answer here, that is school. So you can say school is our social wealth. And in number 3, which is the national wealth? Which is the national wealth? There are options: house, pond, and natural gas. So we can easily say natural gas is the national wealth. And now number 4, national wealth are controlled by what? There is a dash. We have to find out the question. We have to find out the answer. So there are options: country, society, people. We know all about that. National means the ownership of countries. So it will be the answer of this one. That means national wealth are controlled by country. Now number 5, we build dash for religious purpose. We build dash for religious purpose. That means for religious purpose or religious activities, what type of things we are making or what type of things we build. This will be the finding of this question. There are options: school, college, and mosque. We don't make school for religious purpose or college. We actually build mosque for the religious purpose. So this is the MCQ part. We are going to go through again the MCQ part here. Which is owned by a family, house, dash is our social wealth, school, which is the national wealth, natural gas, national wealth are controlled by country, we build mosque for religious purpose. So my dear students, this was the lesson for today, and you have SW, and the SW is written here. SW6 same means you have matching and M.C.Q. That means the things we have done in our class, it will be your SW. So my dear students, hope you have understood the class very properly, and we in our next class we will come with a new topic. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.